Hi everybody. So I need to make a Instagram post for one of my classes. I want to do some promotion on social media. And you can see I'm in Adobe Express and I'm going to do that because it's quick, it's easy. We're going to make something fast. So I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. Can I make something for Instagram in 5 minutes and make it look relatively fresh and hip? Okay. So let's not overthink the wheel. I got lots to do today. So I'm going to go through browse templates. I'm in browse templates. Again, I don't overthink. I just type in what I'm going for. Just think, be creative. This is the biggest thing is in all of our designs now is thinking, what am I going to pick? So you go through, again, this is going to be the hardest thing. What do I type in these search bars and what do I pick? So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. Boom. Okay, so you can see that this is text box one, text box two. So those are going to work as separate layers. And I'm going to type in digital photography. This is again a promotion for my class. All right, we'll put in right in here. Speaking of promotions, what are you doing? Do you want to take a photo class with me in person from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m.? You do. You're thinking about it because you're saying, man, I always wanted to take photo. I just never have time. Come take it with me. I love a photo. It's going to be fun. I'm a project-based teacher. Okay. I should probably make that bigger. All right. So what I'm going to do, knowing that I should make this bigger, then I'm going to take this and I'm going to activate this layer. I'm going to make this. I definitely need to make this bigger. People need to know, hey, it's on Mondays. And I probably really shouldn't do it like that. I should keep the constraints right in here of, okay, we'll work with that. We'll work with that. Okay, so then let's see, how do I make this pop a little bit more? Let's try, I haven't tried this in any of my tests. Let's try, oh, look at that. Look at that. Boom, that's kind of neat. Oops, I got out of that. All right, let's see. Pop in, loop in. Okay, cool. So if I hover it, all right, all right, all right. Let's try that again. Whoa, flicker. Okay, so you can kind of see I'm hovering over this, trying to see, hey, what's gonna work? What's gonna work? Um, maybe I move this down here. Maybe I take this and I should keep these proportions. And then make this a little bit bigger this way, font wise. And you want to do that. Just keep your text boxes where they're supposed to be. Okay, and then let's add a little shadows. Let's add another little shadow. Yes, add a little shadow. Now, can I add a shadow with animation? Let's find out. Looks like I can. Let's try it. Woo! Is that it? Let's go back in. Let's trash that. Oh, I see. I see what happened. All right. Okay, that's cool. All right. All right. Let's go wiggle. I'm going to pick wiggle. Let's see if I move this right in here. No. Okay, so now what's left, and I have less than a minute. What's left is I need to put in Santiago Canyon College, and I need to say that it's free. I spend way too much time just playing. Okay. Let's type in Santiago Canyon College. Please check your spelling. No, I definitely did not spell that right. I gotta do it all over again. Santiago Canyon College. Right in here, let's type in the reality for real. That's what I'm talking about, everybody. Anyway, sorry, everybody. Hi, this is Yvette. She is a silly person when she is creating. Okay, so we're gonna get this. I just grouped it, or did I? You can group these so that when they move as one entity. And then, there we go. Okay, so the other thing is I feel like the color is a little bit off. So let's kind of play around with the color on this. So what I'm going to need to do is go to, so I clicked on where it says free. I'm going to click on right here. I'm going to go to the custom tool and let's play around with the colors. They're already built in to this. And let's do the same thing. That color is going